Hello everyone, welcome back to Yoruba Life TV. Today we are discussing a vital aspect of Yoruba spirituality, the importance of community. In Yoruba culture, community plays a crucial role in spiritual growth and practice. And today we will explore why this connection is so significant. Let's dive into the reasons why community is essential in Yoruba practice. 1. Shared wisdom and knowledge. First, being part of a community allows you to share wisdom and knowledge. In Yoruba traditions, elders and experienced practitioners often pass down teachings and insights. Engaging with others provides access to a wealth of experience that can enhance your spiritual journey. 2. Support and encouragement. Community also offers vital emotional and spiritual support. In times of challenge, having a group of like minded individuals can provide encouragement and strength. Whether through group rituals or simply sharing stories, the power of collective support can be transformative. 3. Celebrating traditions together. Celebrating communal rituals and traditions strengthen bonds and foster a sense of belonging. Participating in festivals, ceremonies, and gatherings not only honors your orishas and ancestors, but also reinforces your connections to the community. These shared experiences can create lasting memories and deepen your spiritual ties. 4. Learning and growth. Being part of community promotes continuous learning and growth. Engaging in discussions or group practices expose you to new perspectives and ideas. This dynamic environment encourages exploration and can help you deepen your understanding of Yoruba spirituality. 5. Creating a sense of belonging. Lastly, community fosters a sense of belonging. In a world that can often feel isolating, being part of a spiritual community provides a safe space to express your beliefs and experiences. It reminds you that you are not alone on your spiritual journey. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the importance of community in Yoruba practices. Embracing community can significantly enrich your spiritual life and help you grow in ways you might not have imagined. I would love to hear about your experiences. How has being part of a community impacted your spiritual journey? Share your thoughts in the comment section below so that others can learn from you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insight into Yoruba spirituality. Until next time, keep seeking and keep growing. Bye for now.